What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we are on a route to go to a restaurant. Me and my brother-in-law, we are headed up to Gabby's Barbecue and Seafood, I think it's what it's called. We're almost there, actually. So, y'all just stay with us, and we'll see you when we get there. We're almost there, kinfolk. Yeah, Gabby's Grill right there. So I think what we're gonna do though is, let's see here. It's only 11 o'clock. So I think what we're gonna do is, I'm probably gonna hit that gas station over there, take a little pisser, and we're just gonna go get lost and then come back after lunchtime and see what it's all about, man. But there we are, Gabby's Grill, Tex-Mex and seafood. So yeah, if you want the address, I'll put it down below so you can come check it out as well. But that's it, man. So we're gonna come back to it though. But let's go to the bathroom because I got an old man bladder, and then we're gonna go get lost, kinfolk. See you in a bit. All right, kinfolk, we're off just to go get lost, me and the brother-in-law. So I hope y'all ready to get lost with us. Sit back and enjoy the ride, and then we will go back to the restaurant here after a little while. Kinfolk, we had to find a shady spot because I got Cousin's chocolate in there to send to him from Dad and Mad, so that's probably gonna be melted and shit. But we're here at Gabby's Grill, Tex-Mex and Seafood Restaurant. So we're gonna give her a go, man. Heard a lot about it on Instagram and stuff. So while we were out this way in Waller, we decided just to go ahead and come on by and give it a try. So let's go inside and I'll show you what they got. Alright, kinfolk, so we over here, man. We just put our order in, and I thought it was a barbecue spot, but what it is Tex-Mex and seafood. On Wednesdays they have barbecue though, so we might have to try to make it back on a Wednesday. Gary will be off on Wednesday, so we could probably do that. So I ended up ordering boudin balls for an appetizer, and then I also ordered the fried chicken sandwich, not burger, fried chicken sandwich, cuz you know what I'm talking about. And then Gabriel ordered, what'd you order? He ordered the blackened salmon, so we'll see what it looks like when they come out, man. And then they also serve Scarface Michelada mix here, so that's what I'm drinking on. Anyway, all right, we'll see you when the food comes out. Kinfolk, here's the boudin balls. And this is what, Chipotle Ranch? Yeah. Chipotle Ranch and tartar sauce. So let's bust open one of these bad boys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks good. All right, kinfolk. So the Chipotle Ranch. First I'm gonna taste it without anything. Oh man, that's pretty good. It's got good flavor to it. The batter on the outside, it's not too crunchy, but it's not real soft. It's a nice medium. It's really good. Let's try this Chipotle Ranch. I'll do that Chipotle Ranch, is good. Try just with the tartar sauce. Not too bad. Chipotle Ranch though, for the win for sure. Let's see what Gabriel thinks. Good flavor. Good flavor, right? Just by itself. The batter's not thick at all. Yeah, yeah. It's good though. Mm-hmm. The Chipotle? Chipotle Ranch. Yeah, they stick to it. Yeah, that one's nice, dude. And tartar sauce, to me, it tastes like it's homemade. It's got like kind of a sweetness to it, eh?
Yeah, just sweet purple.
Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah. I didn't like the tartar sauce too much. I mean, I guess it's all right, but Chipotle ranch for the win for sure. That shit is definitely good. So we'll let you see whenever the rest of the food comes out, man. So pretty good on these boudin balls. Can folk the food's out, man. Yeah, that shit looks like a home cooked meal, bro. Like, that looks good, dude. Got rice, this fish, vegetables. And the chicken sandwich, man, is pretty damn big too. Some seasoned fries. Let's bust the chicken open and see what it tastes like by itself. Oh, shit's hot. I'm gonna have to give it a little taste further in. It's just so hot right now. Chicken doesn't taste real dry, man. That's good. Got some batter's pretty good. Alright. I dig it. I dig it. Once I get into it a little bit more, I'll let you know. Alright, Kimfolk, I've gotten into this chicken sandwich a little more, and it's really good, man. The chicken's not dry. It's got good flavor. French fries are really good. They're really good with the Chipotle ranch. I got them to bring me some more. So, Gabriel loved it. He liked the fish, man. The vegetables were good.
The veggies are good. The fish is a little fishy, but salmon is always fishy. The fried rice is really good too.
So, but the fish could have been blackened a little more, charred a little more, right?
A little more charred.
Yeah, but other than that, it was good, man. I tasted the fish and the vegetables, and yeah, the vegetables were cooked perfectly, man. Perfectly. Still a little stiffness to them, a little crunch to them, not too soggy. The fish was good. To me, it tasted like tuna. I mean, not tuna, salmon. So that's what that's what it tastes like to me. But I don't eat a lot of blackened fish, so Gabriel said it probably needed a little more char on top and bottom. Then that's that probably would have been perfect then. So other than that, man, food's good. I mean, I'm happy with our little trip here. So can't beat it. The prices were fair, huh? I didn't even really look at the price. Prices were fair. I mean, it's not overpriced or anything. So, but definitely got another michelada to work on. And yeah, man, we're gonna finish this up, and I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Folks, we are done. I am stuffed as a tick. And yeah, food was pretty good, man. We enjoyed it. We'll definitely be back. Hopefully we can bring some more people next time and have them try it out. But hopefully we can come back either on a Wednesday. Friday they have steak nights, so we may try to do a Friday. But yeah, definitely want to try the barbecue and the steak. So we'll definitely do one of those, one or the other, or both. We'll see. But make sure y'all come check them out, man. Gabby's Grill here in Waller, Texas. So I gotta stop eating so much, bro. Why you always let me eat so much, Gabriel?
Hey, good food.
Hell yeah, man. All right, boys and girls. So we'll see you on the next one, man. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.